Hi, I'm Chad with Wood-Mizer, and today I'd like to cover Wood-Mizer's logging tools. Wood-Mizer's logging tools are built right here in the USA using high-quality steel, powder coat paint, and have an ergonomic design. We offer cant hooks, PVs, and hookaroons. These logging tools are essential for moving logs around your property and getting them staged for your sawmill. Here I have a 48-inch cant hook and a 48-inch PV. The biggest difference are going to be the ends of these tools. The PV has a long point at the end of it, good for separating logs and digging into the ground when you have to try to separate things. The cant hook is going to have a notched end here, which is really going to dig into the log when you're going to go to turn it and move it. So both of these are going to be great tools in order for staging logs and moving them on your sawmill, or getting them ready for going onto a firewood splitter, depending on what you're doing. You're also going to have different lengths available into the cant hooks. Depending on what you're doing, the longer the cant hook, the easier it is going to be able to move. So if you're a relatively tall guy, the 60-inch cant hook here is going to be great if you don't have to bend over as much. Also, if you're a shorter guy, a 60-inch cant hook is going to give you a lot more leverage. All of Wood-Mizer's cant hooks and PVs can hook a 32-inch diameter log all the way down to an 8-inch diameter log, making it very versatile to move whatever logs you have on your property. I have the 60-inch cant hook here, and I'm going to show you how to use it. You want to pull back your hook here so your nice sharp point is open like that. You're going to take it and you're going to shove it into the log like that, and you're going to lift up just a little bit, and you're going to get your teeth here to sink in, and then when you lift up on the back here, the log's going to move. I'm going to use the 28-inch cant hook to flip this cant. I'm going to open this all the way up, get up underneath here. The 28-inch cant hook's great for flipping cants and small logs that are already up on the deck of the mill. It's at a better operating height, and you don't need a longer cant hook to do it because it's already at good level for you. Now, if you're going to be rotating bigger logs on the ground, that's where the higher handles come into play. The longer the handle, the more leverage you have, and the easier it'll be to move the logs around. Cant hooks and PVs are great tools to get logs staged for your sawmill. When loading bigger logs, be sure to use a second person to help out. Smaller logs, a single person can handle it no problem. So, with the help of Jake here, we're going to get this log loaded up onto the loading arms. Now we're going to load a large log onto a manual mill. First thing you want to make sure you do on a manual mill is get your backstops up. And then we are also using spring-loaded ramps to help us get this larger log up. Now, with this being a larger log, I'm going to have Jake help me here get this up onto the mill. So now we'll get Jake and we're going to get this loaded up. I have Wood-Mizer's 30-inch hookaroon here. This is made with the same high-quality steel. It's got the same powder coat paint, got the same nice hook on it as well. This is great for moving around logs for a firewood splitter, small, bigger logs if you're just wanting to drag them around and you get them situated where you need them. Got a nice sharp point on it. You can dig it right into the log like that. We can pull it straight over here to our loading deck of our firewood splitter, and we can load it up there. Now, also with this, you can use it for actually handling your smaller firewood when it comes off. Then you can also load it into a bin, or you can even load it into the back of your truck. So we can come over here, hook this here, and you can load your truck with it. Now you can see it's got a very aggressive point in it, so it's not going to come out when you start sticking your logs and your firewood with it. Give yourself some leverage with Wood-Mizer's logging tools, available online or through your local Wood-Mizer representative. Thank you for watching.